So this week with Bitcoin continuing to oscillate around, I don't know, what is it, $28,000 to $31,000. Microstrategy announces they're buying $347 million worth of Bitcoin, a little over 12,000 Bitcoin. Now the total balance of BTC owned by Microstrategy is 150,000, worth $4.5 billion. The average purchase price is $29,000. So
Wow.
that's pretty good. I mean,
Yeah.
we've definitely made fun of Michael Saylor on this podcast or this YouTube channel, whatever the hell we're doing, many times before. But he is profitable.
Mm-hmm.
So that's good. Actually, according to this article, in 2023, the first quarter, they reported their first profitable quarter since 2020. So yeah, I guess he's smart. And CZ, another person we've made fun of, commented on Twitter, DCA works, which is something I also tend to agree with. DCA being dollar cost averaging, where instead of saying I'm going to spend $100,000, say you're an individual Bitcoin investor, and you say I'm going to spend $100,000. Don't just buy it $100,000 in one transaction. If that's your budget, buy $10,000 worth a month, and that way you'll be less susceptible to price swings. So
It works.
So yeah, Sailor's silencing the critics, including us. I don't know what to say. Good for him. Bitcoin is king. I need to start DCAing ASAP.
Yeah.
What would you say
Bitcoin?
your average entry price to BTC is
Oh, wow. That's a hard question.
over your career?
I remember like BTC was like around like $5,000, like even after the ICO booms.
Yeah.
And then like, I totally regret I didn't purchase that around that time.
Yeah.
But now it's kind of like a little bit too high.
Mm-hmm.
But like, I'm pretty sure like there's a huge drop before the halving, I guess.
Yeah, I'm still maintaining that. That's true. But if you whatever you think the probability of that happening is, you could adjust whatever your DCA buying rate is.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I tend to agree, but I still kind of want to start getting back in. So maybe I just buy a little bit here and there. I think probably my average entry price is probably around 7,000.
7,000?
Yeah, because I bought. Yeah. I mean, at the time, well, it wasn't that much money, but I bought a bunch when it was under 2,000, and then I definitely bought more at like 12,000 and 17,000 around that. So. But I think that would be my highest buy is around 17,000. So time for a new highest buy, I guess. Yeah, every time I buy, I'm buying for more. But what are you gonna do?
Yep.
But right now I have none. So, well, I got the FOMO. It's FOMO time, baby. That's how you know. That's how you know the bull market's gonna start. My FOMO is kicking in.
Yeah, FOMO's kicking in.
Hell yeah. I'm stoked. Crypto's been so boring. Let's get some FOMO going.
Yeah.
Jesus.